What's happening, YouTube? In today's video I have free GP and free coins that you can get in eFootball 2026, and I will show you how you can get them on your very own, because you know how it is when you just need to get those players and just keep on grinding. But the grinding days are over because I have free GP and free coins in eFootball 2026. So let me show you how you can get them. As you can see, guys, your boy is loading up, of course, eFootball 26 just to see if we will get, of course, the free GP points and free coins in it. And you know how much we need those free GP, even the coins, of course. So let us just wait. Okay, we are in. And you can see instantly that there is a change with free GP and free coins in eFootball, guys. And I will show you exactly how you can get them for both iOS and Android devices. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi on. Do not use any type of VPN connections and go to appspatch.com. So it doesn't matter what browser, what only matters is that you go to appspatch.com. Right there, guys, you will just search for eFootball like that. Boom. Select the icon and then we will proceed further. So we will now enter a username, tap on the platform that we are on, and select the free GP and free coins, the amount of those resources that we want to see arrive in eFootball. So now just let it rest and wait for this protocol to be completed. It is important and it will lead us to the verification process. So we will continue to verification and click here. So you can see that you had a step-by-step tutorial for this last step. So it is recommended to watch it, but your boy will still guide you through it. So you will have two options. The first one will be to either complete 2 questionnaires by answering some simple questions, following those up and answering them. That is how you go ahead and complete it. Or you can go ahead and download 2 apps from the official App Store or Google Play Store. And not only download them, but also do what it says from you in the description. So for example, download and install this app and then play 3 games for 5 minutes each. Something simple like that, guys. Some other apps will have something else from you. So make sure to read it and complete it that way. And that is it, guys. This is how you go ahead and get free GP and free coins in eFootball 26. So if you have further questions, drop them in the comment section. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Goodbye.